It's Jordan's also a car fan, and his dad is an avid collector of Ford consoles, which we're going to have a look at.
Oh yeah, so we might as well start with the cars. Obviously, as we're out here, this is my dad's Mark II Capri 2-litre gear, quite rare. It's a grey cloud interior, all original condition. Some say he should restore it, but he believes, once it's restored, there's no going back. It's only original once. So yeah, I mean, it's not the best condition, but it's on the road and gets lots of attention. Certainly turns heads when you're out and about in it. So yeah,
I had one myself back in the 70s.
Okay. Yep.
It was a 1.6 model.
Yep.
And it was the same colour without the final roof. So that does bring back memories for me.
That's it.
The Ford Capri.
Yeah.
Cannot believe what they're worth now.
No.
But back then they were a popular car, but they're more popular now, I think.
That's
but,
it.
Yeah,
Okay, now we're done with the Capri. This is also my dad's. Yeah, which is a 1973 Ford Consul GT 3-litre manual. Quite well known for being in the 70s police programme, The Sweeney, which of course was obviously shown on Thames Television from 1975 to 78, starring John Thor and Dennis Waterman.
You need some cardboard boxes to go through.
and an old Mark II Jag with tyres screeching.
With the baddies in.
That's it, yeah. So yeah, probably one of Dad's best ones. Yeah, nice car. It is what it is, really, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
it.
And this is just the start.
Yeah, so following on from actually the Granada and the console, my dad actually at one point probably had the biggest collection of consoles and Granadas in the country. But fortunately, as time goes on, they've been dwindled down, and what you see here is really pretty much what we've got left. With this one being his best one for shows. Yeah, so really enjoy what you see, folks.
Jordan's getting his chopper out, for want of a better word. A bit of wall art for you.
Yeah.
The garden wall art. It's absolutely an amazing collection that Jordan's got. He's got 45 Raleigh Choppers and 4 Grifters. And that obviously means he's up there as king of the chopper bike collectors, having that many. I don't know of anyone else who has got as many as that. Please comment below if you know anybody, or anybody's watching who actually has got more than 45 Raleigh Choppers in any single collection. Next on Jordan's collection is the Beano inspired.
Everybody wants one of these.
Yeah, I mean, look at that. That is amazing. You've got Nasher on there. You've got Dennis the Menace. My God.
That's it. Yeah.
So,
Can
can you tell me, Jordan, is this one that you've made up, or do you buy them like that?
No, this is actually a standard model.
It's a standard model.
It was to actually coincide in 2013 with the 75th anniversary of the Beano comics.
Oh, right. Okay.
It would be impossible to restore because the graphics on it are like it's got a special finish to it. So you'd never, once it's gone, you'd never get it back the same again. So yeah, once again, it's not the best condition, but it's survived. You know,
I've never.
I mean, there's still so many in boxes about people that have their loft, and they do go for a good price. I mean, I was quite good with this one. I got it a few years ago at a really decent price.
Not fair play to you. That's all part of the fun, really, isn't it? The chase
that's it.
The chase of picking it up and getting one. You know, it's all part of the fun. I know with myself. Wow.
That's it.
There you go, folks. One Beano-inspired Mark III Raleigh Chopper. Green on it.
No, they are an added extra.
They're an added one.
Basically, the beads, the bottle holder, the horn, the mirror, and the bow are all added extras.
Okay.
Yeah. In progress.
Next part of the video, stay tuned for that, is Jordan's dad's collection of Ford consoles, and he's got some interesting stuff to say about that as well.
Well, as we brought the bikes to a close, back to the cars. Yeah, so following my dad's footsteps, he seems to be the car hoarder and I seem to be the bike hoarder. Dad's a big fan of old Fords. We have a Ford Cortina in the collection, which I think is actually on one of Iconic Brand's previous videos. So
that's right, yeah. It's at Emberton, yeah.
Yeah, I say, if we're out there, console. Here we have a copper brown 1972 Ford Cotswolds, needing a lot of work, a lot of welding. 2 litre Alex Mark II Granada, 1984. We have a sea green red 1973 Ford Cotswolds GT. There's only about 2 or 3 of them in that colour, very rare model. Over there in the distance, what you can see is a 1972 Evergreen 2 litre V4 Cotswolds. And that primrose one we see amongst the brambles is a 1975 Ford Granada 3 litre gear coupe. And then in the far distance with the roof bars is not Ford. In fact, that's actually a 1983 Morris Attell 440 van.
Oh right, okay, let's look at that. Yeah, so that breaks.
Everything's old round here.
So it breaks the mould a bit. It's not just Ford. You have got.
We have like our old vans as well. Yeah, yeah. We keep everything old on the road here. There's nothing modern here. I'll tell you that.
Okay, well that's great. So you're just like your dad.
Just like my dad. Yeah. Except he's on 4 wheels, I'm on 2.
I think yours are a bit easier to store as well.
That's it. Less hassle. That's it. But yeah, so, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. I mean, it's not the prettiest, but it's still here.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Yeah,
it's all here still. It's alive.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, it just adds to the. We've enjoyed looking at your bikes, and now your dad's collection of cars. That's great stuff. Yeah. Also, one of my own personal favourites is the Jaguar X-Type. As some of you may watch, some of you Raleigh Chopper fans and car fans may also watch my Jaguar X-Type video, which is also on Iconic Brands. And Jordan's very keen to show me his collection of, what would you call it, Jordan?
Oh, literature.
Literature on
the X-Type range.
On the X-Type range, which is actually on a Ford Capri bonnet. There you go. Yeah, you don't see that every day.
That's it.
There you go. It's Jordan's keen, and it's on his dad's Capri, and it's got all this X-Type literature in a little car. Special thanks to Jordan and his dad for letting us see their bike and car collection. Other Iconic Brands videos you may be interested in: tasteless brands of the 70s. Special thanks also to Linda Pittman of Linda Pittman Travels. Until the next time, let's keep right on.